sa Bahi Palace Hotel here in Ajman. It's my mother's birthday celebration. Nag-celebrate na kami actually ng small handaan sa bahay. But this is the, ang tawag doon? Yung mismong celebration. Woo! Happy birthday!
Extension, celebration.
Hi, birthday girl! What's your wish?
Wish come true. Secret.
Anong masasabi mo sa birthday celebration mo?
Too much shock. I am too much blessed and very thankful.
What's your wish for mama?
More birthdays.
What else?
Health and matupad ang wish niya.
Ako, ang wish ko kay mama is good health, long life, and matupad lahat ng desire ng puso niya. Ay, slay! Hi! Ano daw? Hi lang! Anong hi lang? I said hi lang! Gulo? Hi! Happy birthday, mama! Gulo nyo? Hi! Room tour ko kayo. Though, medyo magulo na. Kasi mas nauna yung parents ko dito eh. So, okay, let's go. Yan! So, ang ganda ng bathroom nila here. Ayan. Shower. Ayan. And, ayan. You have an extra bed. That's a TV. And then you have a balcony there. Ayan. Yun lang. Very short.
Ito muna eh.
Nag-iinom din sila dun. Ako naiingit din ako eh.
Ba't ang celebration naman sa inyo?
Birthday ng pamangkin ko.
Sa Pinas?
Oo. Sabi ko,
Ano oras ang dagat? One, two.
Hindi man lang ano.
Where are we going?
67 ako before eh.
Where are we going?
Swimming.
We're gonna swim now. Bong, biggie, bong, biggie, bong.
Uy, hindi ba natin pre-practice yung ano?
Bong, biggie, bong. Ano ka gawin mo yun, kuya? Bong, biggie, bong. We're gonna swim now. Pinalipas muna namin yung oras kasi sobrang init kanina. So right now it's about, magpa-5 na, right? Magpa-5 na?
Magpa-5 na.
5 na pala. Let's go! Picture mag-isa. And when I need you here,
Lalo, nakain.
always say, because it's a shiny, shiny I'll be here. Hi. So we're chilling right now with some wine and and we're gonna play Uno. We have a lot of board games like we have Monopoly, chess, and Jenga, but we're gonna play Uno first. So stay right here.
Pero pag alam mo, isa siya lang kailangan.
Kailangan sigaw mo uno.
Kasi pag hindi mo nasabi, kukuha ka ulit.
Kukuha ka ulit. Pag may nagsabi na iba ng uno.
Sino ako na? Ulit? Yan? Ulit ka mo na?
Salag pala rin niya. Pala, sumo pala gusto nyo ha.
Sobrang smooth!
we're gonna have breakfast now. Mas maaga na gising si Mama, like 6 a.m. So yeah, let's go.
Nalasing ngayon.
Hangover yarn. Kaya nga. Instant yan dun sa ano. Tapos may ano sa loob. Yung frame. Diba dun niya ako tinuturuan nun, na abakada. Tapos pag hindi ako nakinig, untog niya yung ulo ko.
Buti yung nanay ko kasi, busy kasi dati. Trabaho.
Yun! Go! Bahala ka dyan! Ulit-ulit, di ko nakuhaan! Ha? Di ko nakuhaan, ulit-ulit! Oh my gosh! Hi! So, we're gonna check out now. I don't know if I have enough footage to edit this later, but we'll see. We really had a great time. Maganda yung amenities here, and the breakfast buffet was good as well. So yeah, it's Bahi Ajman Palace Hotel. Bye!